Right, okay, the UK link is now working for this scan tool. As you can see, I know a lot of people are saying the UK link didn't work, but I contacted them. We've got a UK link. I'll put it in this video, and I'll also put it in obviously the other videos as well. Hopefully the people see this video and then they'll know that the UK link is working. Sorted. I was asked by Simon, one of my patrons, who was asking me what's this like on Opel/Vauxhalls. I've got a 2007 Opel Astra here, I believe, so I'm going to do a quick video on what this can do for that. That's the only one I've got, unfortunately, Simon, so you'll have to kind of go off that. Hopefully it will help you. Now it's 259 sterling, and there's also a 12% discount code, which I'll also link in the description. I'll also put on the other video, so that should save you a few quid as well. Sorted. See you later. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Links up here, links down below, but most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.